Oh, Orphle Antiks! Please, 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 please,
Okay, Orphle. We'll cover our eyes and count.
Woohoo!
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I thought he was going to hide them all in the garden.
Huh? Ta-da! It's hidden.
Orphle, where did you hide ours?
Can we have a clue, please, Orphle?
You gave our eggs to a penguin?
Oh, I think I know where they are! Morphle! Morph into a helicopter!
Morph, morph!
There! Land near that penguin! All right! Morphle, grab those eggs!
Oh, chilly!
They're frozen.
Where's Morphle's egg?
You gave it to a dragon? Orphle, are you pretending to be a volcano?
Yeah!
Oh, but volcanoes are hot and will melt a chocolate egg. Morphle, morph into an airplane so we can beat the heat.
It's melted!
Oh, it's okay, Morphle.
Maybe this heat will defrost our eggs. Our eggs have melted too.
Ah! The volcano's going to blow! Oh, Morphle, morph into an ice dragon and blast that lava! All right, let's go! You did it, Morphle! Oh, wait! My egg is still hidden somewhere! Come on, everyone! We can share this! Every day's a messy day. I mean magical day with a magic pet. I'm so excited about April's surprise birthday party.
I can't wait to see the look on April's face.
I invited her over to play. She has no idea.
April's gonna love these balloons.
Okay, shh. Everybody get ready to hide. She'll be here any minute. Ooh.
Oh, no! Balloons go bye-bye!
Mila, April's here.
Be right there, Daddy! You guys stall April while Morphle and I get the balloons back.
We're on it.
Morphle, quick! Morph into a helicopter so we can catch up to the balloons.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Good job, Morphle. Morphle, can you spot any balloons?
There!
Yes! After them! Almost. Almost. There! Not there.
We're coming.
Hey, April.
Jordie? Troy? What are you doing here?
Mila invited us over to play too.
Cool. Let's all go inside. Wait!
Quick, look over here.
I don't see anything. Yeah, never mind.
There they are! Quick! After them! Thank you, Mr. Elephant! Oh no! The elephant's tusks are gonna pop the balloons! Hold steady, Morphle! Almost! Oh, not again! Quick, Morphle! After them! Morphle! Morph into a plane so we can zoom over to the construction site and catch the balloons before they pop! balloons. Faster, Morphle! Faster! Got him! Cool move, Morphle. Yeah! I sure hope it's not too late to surprise April.
Huh? Mila? You're right on time.
Seriously, you guys? What's going on in there?
Nothing!
Ouch! Sorry, but I'm going in.
Surprise!
Happy birthday, April!
Wow! You all did this for me? Thank you! And balloons? My favorite!
Where's Morphle gone?
Yay!
Morphle! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Stand back.
What's that, Officer Freeze?
It's a body swap device, and I have to lock it away before it causes any chaos. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoops. I'm sorry, April.
I have a mustache?
Uh-oh. They've swapped bodies.
Huh?
That's April.
Hi, Morphle.
And that's Officer Freeze.
Hello, Morphle.
What the? Who the?
Put me down!
I want all the ice cream. Ha ha ha!
Officer Freeze! Help me!
Sorry, I'm April.
Quick, Mila, swap us back.
Battery is empty. It has to recharge before I can swap you back.
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Put that ice cream truck down immediately.
Little girls can't tell us what to do.
Not in my city. Don't be naughty, naughty bandits. Chill out, Freeze.
Quick, Morphle! Morph into a dump truck! Let's catch that ice cream, Morphle! Forwards, wait, backwards, little to the right, little to the left. Yeah!
Put the van down. Let's get some ice cream.
Stop!
Quick, Morphle! Morph into a superhero! Catch that man! We're coming, Geraldo! Faster, Morphle! Almost there!
Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
I've got all the ice cream.
Not in my city. Let's get them. Wait, I can't reach the pedals.
And I can't drive.
We'll get them! Morphle, morph into a dragon!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Jump on! Blast them, Morphle! It's recharged!
Phew, I'm me again.
That's better. You three are going to jail.
Oh, thank you for rescuing me and my ice cream.
You're welcome. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. I'm a little baby. I'm really sleepy.
Baby, baby.
Where's my bed? Thank you, Animi.
Baby snoring.
Hey guys, meet our new magic pet, Inkra.
Hi!
I'm sure you'll make her feel right at home. See you later.
What powers do you have, Inkra? Wow, your power is so cool.
Wow.
Whoa! A giant baby doll on the loose! Balloons! shrink the doll, and I need you to zap it. Morphle, we need to get out of here fast. That doll really needs some babysitting. Whoa! Watch out! That's not the kind of babysitting I meant. The baby doll thinks they're dolls too. Inkra, Animi, hang on. We'll save you somehow.
Morphle, help!
Yeah! Awesome! Inkra, Animi, use your powers at the same time to zap the doll back to normal. Ready? Now! Hang on! Gotcha! Yeah! Inkra, Animi, your powers are really awesome.
Too awesome.
Yeah, we'll have to be really careful with them from now on.
So, did I miss anything while I was gone?
We were just playing with my doll.
Mm-hmm. Looks like you had a big day. Mila, Aunt Augustine's coming over, so I need to tidy up.
Do you want us to help, Daddy?
No thanks, Mila. But you could take everyone into the backyard.
Okay, come on, everyone. Let's go outside.
Morphle, know what to?
Oh, I know. Let's build a tree house. Yeah! Doubler, can you use your magic and make us some more wood, please? Thanks, Doubler.
Morphle, help Mila! Morphle!
Great work, Morphle. Wow! Oh, okay, thank you for working your magic, Animi. You can be the steps, you can be the floor, and you can be a flying hammer. Tickle, tickle! Oh, you're so cute! Great work, you guys. Now, let's get the walls done. This is looking awesome. Huh? Whoa, Doubler! Animi, we don't need any more wood. Huh? This is getting out of control. Oh, no, not now, Count the Sheep. Morphle. It's too big and too heavy! What are we gonna do? Doubler, no! Morphle, do something! Well done, Morphle! Count the sheep!
Morphle's sleepy.
Ah! Everyone, get back!
Morphle, no safe treehouse.
It wasn't your fault, Morphle. I have an idea. If we all work as a team, we can make the best treehouse ever.
Wow! You
You've made an absolutely incredible treehouse. Well done.
Yes! Are you excited to go help April with her art project, Chroma? Let's go! Hello, Morphle.
Mila?
Morph into a giant, scary bear.
Morphle no like scary.
It'll be fun, Morphle. Just do it.
Okay, Mila.
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today mischievous.
Huh?
I mean magical.
Okay, Mila.
After we paint with April, we can all get ice cream, Morphle. Morphle? Morphle!
A bear! Hey, Mila and Morphle. That's a new morph.
Yes, it is, Morphle. Roar. Now! Onwards, Morphle. Look, it's April. Come on. April, what happened?
Mila? But you were just here with Morphle.
Me and Morphle? Oh, that must be my reflection from the mirror world. Evil Mila. There's only one way to stop her. Yum! Morphle, get away from her! I'm the real Mila! No, I am.
I know.
I'm the real Mila. No, I am. What's this? Morphle, morph into a scary shark to scare them away. No, Morphle, morph into a helicopter to fly away.
Morphle don't know what to do.
That's not what I wanted.
Real Mila?
Yes, I was so worried about you. I'll show them.
Evil Mila's getting away.
We need to get Mr. Mirror in front of her. Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Huh? You need to go home. Never! Huh? No! You're safe now, Morphle.
Morphle love Mila.
Oh. Over here! Past me! Pass over here! Come on!
Hey! Stop making so much noise! Barky and I are having a nap.
Sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. We'll keep the noise down.
Good.
Oh, we can't play no more.
How about we play the Be Quiet game?
What's that?
We carry on playing, but we just have to be as quiet as mice.
Yay! Sorry.
Over here!
Over here, I'm open.
Pass! Yikes! Morphle, morph into a super suit! Let's get that ball! That was too close! Let's get out of here, Morphle! What shall we play now? Balloon tennis. Whoops. Phew.
Uh-oh.
morph into a fire truck. Phew. Morphle, pull me back. I think we should try another game.
Morphle, do spinny!
Not again! Morphle, morph into a tiger!
Morph!
Quick, let's go!
That's better. I feel great after my little nap.
Too close.
I suppose you can have this for being quiet. Ooh.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to play hide and seek? Yay! Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me.
I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out, wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks!
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm a superhero! I see Morphle! But the bandits have him! Oops!
Morphle!
Ah, stop! The bridge is going up!
We can make it!
I command you to stop! Hey!
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge!
Thanks, Mila. Now we have our own helicopter.
Yeah.
Hey! What's going on?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Morphle, no bandit helicopter!
Quick, let's steal these bikes and get away. Uh-oh.
Mila? Yes! It's me, Morphle. Jump in. Let's get these bandits back where they belong.
Sorry. Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day's a magical day with morphing magic friends.
One final touch, and ta-da! It's finished!
Yes!
I am Mila, queen of this castle. I am April Delize. I'm Jester Jordie. And I dub thee the bravest knight in the kingdom, Sir Morphle. Yeah! Come on, let's play!
Oh, Orphle wanna play in castle too! No fair!
You're so funny, Jester Jordie! We're under attack! Morphle, do something! Soccer shoe? Great idea! I'll help with my magic. Alakazoo! Alakazam! Send those balls back! Bam, bam, bam!
Oh, Orphle knocked down gate!
The castle is safe again. Thanks to Brave Knight Sir Morphle and Magic Wizard April. Yeah! He's going to knock down the gate. Follow me. Get ready. Now! Take it away, Morphle. Bye! Thanks to Sir Morphle, the kingdom is safe again. Quick, Morphle! Morph into a shield! Morphle, stop!
Let Orphle play!
Our castle! Orphle, if you wanted to join our game, all you had to do was ask.
Sorry.
I've got a great idea! Cool! I named this castle Castle Morphle Orphle. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Come on, Morphle. Help me plant this flower for Daddy. Wow! Ooh, I wonder what's inside. It's a treasure map. Well, part of a treasure map. See this X? This means the next piece of the map is at the park.
A piece of a treasure map? Nice! I'll let Mila and Morphle find the rest of the map, then take it for myself. Good thinking, Winston.
This is where the X is. We have to dig next to that tree. Great digging, Morphle. Yeah, it's the second piece of the map. Look, another X. This one's up the mountain.
Up on the mountain?
Come on, Morphle.
Whoa!
This is where the second X should be. Morphle! I know! Morph into a Triceratops and smash it!
Uh-oh!
Woohoo! Look, Morphle! It's the last piece of the map!
Treasure!
And I think I know where it's buried.
Oh, take that. Thank you very much.
Winston! Don't worry, Morphle. This isn't over yet.
This is where the treasure must be.
The treasure is at the beach.
I'm almost there. Aha! Treasure, here I come!
Woohoo! Come on, Morphle. This is it, it, Morphle. Morphle, morph into an excavator and let's get that treasure. Keep digging, Morphle. We're so close. Ooh, could it be? Ooh, a treasure chest. Wow. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet and a chest full of treasure. I'm so excited, Morphle! I can't believe Daddy set up this whole jungle adventure for us. We're off to find the prize Daddy hid. I mean, the mysterious lost magic pet of gold. Aha! Footprints. Maybe they'll lead us to the treasure.
Morphle loves treasure.
That was close! Morphle, can you get us across?
Mila, ready?
Ready! Yahoo! Cool! Look, Morphle! A cave! Let's see what's inside.
Oh.
There it is! We found the lost magic pet of gold! Huh? Watch out, Morphle! It's coming right for us! Morphle, do something!
Morphle! Morphle! Orphle with treasure!
We should all share it, Orphle.
No touch Orphle!
Let's get after him, Morphle!
Orphle's treasure!
Come on, Orphle. The treasure belongs to all of us. It's landed in quicksand!
No, my treasures! Oh no.
Forget about the treasure. We need to save Orphle.
Orphle okay? Orphle's treasure not okay.
Well, you're more important than treasure, Orphle.
Oh, Orphle's sorry.
How'd you and Morphle like your adventure, Mila?
Daddy! We loved it! But the lost magic pet of gold is lost again.
I guess you and Morphle will just have to go on another adventure.
Orphle play too! Yay! Thank you!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Or two. Huh? Oh no! Morphle, I know what will cheer you up. Blah.
My invention is done! I've invented a youth serum, which I will demonstrate on my assistant.
Oh, that's so cute.
I don't know how to take care of a baby. You have to take her to her daddy while I make an antidote to change her back.
Mila? Mila, no cry. Mila, hungry? Mila! Mila, where are you?
Wow! Hey, Morphle. Boy, am I glad to see you. I had the strangest dream. I dreamed that I was a baby. Isn't that silly? Huh? Wow, cool!
Ooh, what that?
It's my new drone.
That was amazing, Jordie!
Thanks. It's the best drone ever. I want that drone.
Huh?
My drone! It's flying by itself.
Come on!
Whoa! This thing's tricky to steer.
Another lovely day in Petport. Whoa, whoa! What's going on? I'll stop this menace. Whoa!
Officer Freeze!
Ah! How do you control this thing?
Somebody help me!
Don't worry, Officer Freeze! We're coming for you! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a fire truck! It's okay, Officer Freeze! Grab my hand!
Thanks, you three. What is that thing?
It's my new drone, but it's flying by itself.
It's not flying by itself. It's flying by Winston. Look!
Stop, you silly drone!
After him!
What are we going to do?
Morphle! Morph into a crane! Drag the bus back to safety! Good job, Morphle!
Whew. Thanks, guys.
Oh, that close!
The drone! After it!
Get back here! Ah! Stop! No, please! We have to get that remote control.
And I know how! Morphle, morph into a helicopter!
Ah!
What, you useless thing? Oh!
Stay still, Morphle!
Morphle, try!
Thank you.
Hurry, Mila!
Great job, Mila.
Here you go, Jordie.
This is how you fly a drone.
Nicely done. Every day's a magical day with a magic cat. Let's make today magical. Morphle, morph into me. Now put these on, and we can play pranks on Daddy and our friends. You look exactly like me.
Morphle is Mila.
Oh, it's you, Mila. I didn't see you come down.
That's That's because I'm still up here.
Oh, then you must be Morphle?
Hey, Mila. Do you and Morphle want to play?
Morphle no here, but Mila play.
Great. Let's go.
Hi, Mila.
Hi.
What shall we play, Mila? You're great at thinking up fun games.
Tag?
Yeah, okay, Mila. You're it.
Tag.
Whoa!
Wow. Wait a second. You're not Mila. You're Morphle.
Look! Morphle isn't with them, so we can steal their toys. Great idea.
Hey, that's ours.
Thanks for the hula hoop.
Give it back.
Mila!
Hey, that's not nice.
What's going on? Get me down!
Yeah! There's two Milas!
Hey! Come back!
Morphle! Did you have fun being me?
Yeah, but Morphle like being Morphle best.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Welcome to Petport's annual hot air balloon race.
I've always wanted to compete in a balloon race, Morphle.
Morphle too.
Yay! Hooray!
Ready to fly, kids?
Ready as I'll ever be.
I was born ready.
We're guaranteed to win by cheating.
Competitors, you are going to race all around the city. May the best balloon win. On your marks. Get set. Go!
No fair! I know! The bandits didn't wait for Daddy to say go.
Yeah.
Right. Here's what we're going to do to win.
Coming through.
We'll see about that. Wait for it. Gotcha!
We're number one. We're number one. We're number one. You're number one. You're number one.
Help! Look! We have to help our friends, Morphle. Woohoo! Great job, Morphle.
You and Mila are such good sports.
Good job, Morphle. We're gaining on them.
We have to go faster. Our balloon's too heavy. You two, get out.
Oh, wait! The balloon's too light now! Winston!
Huh? Why am I going up? Go forward, you silly balloon. The finish line's that way.
Ooh, we're almost at the finish line. Winston? We're so close to winning. But we have to stop Winston from floating away. Morphle, morph into an airplane.
Morphle! Morphle!
Winston, jump! Welcome aboard.
And the winners are April, Jordie, and Professor Paula. And a special award for choosing to do the right thing, Mila and Morphle.
Woohoo! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Okay. Here you go. Good gobble frog. Good gobble frog. Huh? Still hungry? But you've eaten all the snacks.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Mila. Gobble frog is hungry, and we've run out of food. We need food, and we need it now.
How about a pizza?
One pizza coming right up.
Hang in there, Daddy.
Hurry, Mila.
Excuse you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Morphle, morph into a pizza delivery van. Pizza, prepare to be gobbled. Aw, baby piggies. Wait, I know what you're doing. This is for Gobble Frog. Oh, no, you don't. We have to take this pizza to Daddy. It's an emergency.
Coffee and donuts are ready.
Now that's an emergency.
The pizza! Morphle, we need to get that pizza fast. Woohoo! Hi, Daddy.
Are you almost here with a pizza, Mila?
I've nearly got it. We'll be with you as soon as we can. Gotta go. Almost. Almost. Gotcha. Bring me up, Morphle. Whoa. Morphle, help. Great catching, Morphle. Now we need to get to Daddy. Morphle and some rocket boosters. Let's go! Yeehaw! Ah, Daddy!
Hi, Mila. Oh, am I glad to see you.
Yikes! Who wants some delicious pizza? Here, Gobble Frog! Catch!
Phew. Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
You're welcome, Daddy. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Hello, Mila and Morphle.
Hi, Aunt Augustine.
Present for Auntie.
We made it from our recycled plastic bottles.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, thank you. Come on, let's get you some cake.
Morphle loves cake.
Oh, my necklace! It's gone!
Don't worry, Aunt Augustine. We'll find it.
Ooh.
This is a case for Detective Mila. Aha! Our first clue. Ooh, a candy wrapper.
A fun necklace.
I know. Morphle, morph into a sniffer dog. Follow the smell of candy. Good job, Morphle. You found more candy.
Huh?
What's wrong, Morphle?
Candy all gone.
There must be other clues around. Aha! Our second clue. Now Now we know who took Aunt Augustine's necklace.
Bunny Rabbit?
No, silly. The bandits.
This must be worth loads of money.
Give that back.
Hunting necklace!
Let's get out of here!
Eat my dust!
Hey! Come back here! Morph into a hang glider. Huh? There they are!
Bandits too fast!
Morphle, land over there. Morphle, morph into a spider.
Morphle!
Get ready to make a big web between the buildings. Now, Morphle! Yay! We did it!
Great work, Detective Mila and Morphle. You caught the necklace thieves.
My necklace!
I'll take that.
Thank you.
If you hadn't flown into that giant web, we could have sold that necklace for loads of money.
Winston, Morphle and I made that necklace out of recycled plastic.
Oh, you said it was made of diamonds.
Oh, this may be made of plastic, but it's the most precious thing I own because you two made it. Thank you. Mwah.
Every day's a magical day with a magic hat.
I can't wait to go ice skating. Wow! Thanks, Catmo!
Mother love ice! Whoa! Oof! Oopsie!
Cool!
Huh? This looks like an ice rink for babies. With that magic pet, I could make the biggest ice rink in the world. Wanna try my slushie? Now, make me a huge ice rink. Oi! Careful, you'll get a brain freeze. Told ya. Whoa! Oh, yes! This is amazing! Haha, my ice rink is better than yours.
Poor Catmo. We have to warm her up before she turns pet court into ice court. Let's go.
Stop right there. Do as I say. I'm Officer Freeze.
Woo! This is amazing! Huh? No! Ah! Not cool!
Oh no! Thanks, Catmo. Come get nice and warm in this. Morphle, morph into something speedy.
Morphle! Morphle!
Let's get her! There she is! Get out!
Power!
Awesome! Loop the loop, Morphle!
Mila ready?
Ready! Got you! It's okay, Catmo. Can you help us turn things back to normal, please? Now, let's get you warm.
What? Stop it! I'm not a juice pop!
Yummy!
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Look, Morphle, like this.
Morphle too!
Don't worry, Morphle. You'll get the hang of it, but you'll never be as good as this little guy. Meet Boba, our newest magic pet. Boba loves blowing bubbles. He tends to bubble over with joy from it. Whoa! See?
That looks like fun.
Boba, this is high enough.
I can't get out! Morphle, morph into something big!
Huh? Ah! Dump truck! Now Morphle saved Mila! Mila? Uh-oh! Huh?
What is... Huh? Help! Help me!
Morphle, help! Whoa!
Oh no! There's a car falling from the sky! Phew!
There you are, Boba. Listen, you can't just blow your magic bubbles everywhere. It's causing lots of problems.
Daddy!
Morphle, can you pop my bubble? Oh, whew. Thanks, Morphle.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
Mila!
You saved me! Thank you, Morphle!
Yeah!
Nice. I was a bit on the bubble whether I'd see my car again.
Well, Boba, next time you bubble over, please don't take it so literally.
Huh?